Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Hub channel. My name is Moran and this is going to be a video about how to create a discount on your Shopify store. But before we get started, if you're just starting out with Shopify, you can check the link in our description and start your trial for 1 month for only $1. So let's create this discount. The first thing we're gonna go to is discounts in the left hand menu. Then we will press create discount. So here they will provide us with 4 different options. We can add as a discount like free shipping. We can discount the total order amount, like from the total price that's going to be listed out once the customer chooses to buy, for example, 3 or 4 different products. So it will basically give a discount on the total order price. I would definitely recommend that because it can get tricky depending on the margins that you guys have for certain products. So I usually go with the discount specific products or collections of products. So I choose this option, the first one. Then I can create a code. So we're gonna create a code, let's say 20% discount. This is going to be a discount code that we will use later on in the checkout. So it's going to be a percentage, or it can be a fixed amount. So fixed amount will basically decrease the price for the amount that we insert here, or we can just put a percentage. So let's say that we're going to give 20% of discount. We can apply it to specific collections or products, and we're going to do for a specific product. In this case, I'm going to go and click browse. I'll be looking for this particular hoodie, for example, and I'll add discount on it. Minimum purchase requirements, I'm not gonna leave anything here. I'll just leave with no minimum requirements. You can put like a minimum purchase amount. So let's say that minimum purchase amount has to be like $100, 100 euros, but we will leave it now as the first option. I believe that all of the customers are eligible to use this discount code, and I will not put any maximum discount uses. So you can put like limit the times. So let's say that you only want that code to be used 10 times. For example, you would just put 10 here, or in case you want to leave it limited to only one user only, here you would put and choose this option. But I will leave it now as a blank option so they can use it as many times as they want. And here you can like use combinations of discounts. So basically the discounts can overlap. So you can use like product discount overlapping, like order discount overlapping, or shipping discount overlapping. At the moment, I'm just gonna use this one as it is, and I'm gonna save my discount. Now the discount has been activated. As you can see here, it says active, for which specific product it's active and how many times it was used. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test it out. Guys, follow me. We're gonna navigate over to our online store preview, view your store. We will be looking for that specific product beyond the game collection. Add to cart, view my cart. Then we will navigate over to checkout, and here, as you can see, we have an option to use this discount code. I have this code already copied in my clipboard. I'm just gonna copy paste that specific code, and I'm gonna press apply. Now it calculated 20% discount, and here is the final price. So now the customer will be charged this particular price. So here you would have to insert all of the information, and pretty much the process is done. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hopefully managed to resolve some of the problems that you had today, and see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.